Hello team, in this video I want to take you through the Finders tab within the Frontline dashboard. So the Finders tab is pretty simple. It allows you to find members based on different parameters. So you can search for members using phone number, name, or even the company name, as well as their contact or their access card code. And so for this demo, I'm gonna be looking for Prisla, right? So there's a match. So based on whatever parameters you're using, the system will give you the best match possible. So I'm gonna click on any part of this contact to open it. And now you have Prisla's information open to you. On the left side is Prisla's biodata, so their name, gender, contact details, and then other supporting biodata for you to look at. On the right is their membership information. That includes the status of their membership, their access code, how much they paid, and then when their membership is going to expire. So this details a 360 view of Prisla's membership subscription. Next is the linked providers. These are the locations or the clinics within the chain who have access to edit Prisla's data. So for now, no provider is actually authorized to edit this particular member's data. Next is the company. So the company is simply a company that is where Prisla works at, or the one that is sponsoring Prisla's membership, right? So you have the company details here, and so this company is a sponsor of Prisla's membership. So if you look up a member, you get to know which company they work at and stuff like that. Next is the wallet. The wallet simply shows the available care value and then what they've used so far. Simple as that. So there are different membership types based on the company's decision. So some members have segmentations, others is purely cashless. So if it's segmented, you would have different segmentations down here. So you have outpatient, surgery, or even inpatient. But for cashless members, it's just one tier, right? So you see how much they were allocated as care value for their care within the chain, how much they've utilized so far in care value, and what their outstanding balances are for utilization within the chain. This is a visual representation of that. So you get to know how much they've used so far out of their care value. So Prisla has used 39% of allocated care value. Next is the visit. So it gives you a breakdown of all the visits that the member have actually conducted within the chain. So the summary is at the top here, but down here you have the fine-grained details. So for each day, you get to know if Prisla went to a particular facility for each given day, how much she was billed, and then how much she actually paid versus how much was actually covered using her membership balance. Now for each of these bills, you also get to be able to open to see the bill details. So if the member wants a breakdown, you can speak to these particular details instantly, right? So that is basically what the founder screen is all about. It allows you to open a member's information, the member's profile, have a 360 view of their profile so you can speak to their needs whenever it arises. All right, thank you.